Welcome to your sleep sanctuary. Take a deep breath in, hold it for a moment, and slowly let it go. Allow your body to sink fully into your bed. Let your shoulders drop away from your ears, unclench your jaw, relax your eyes, and allow your hands to rest comfortably by your side. Tonight, you have nothing left to do. Every task of the day is finished. This time belongs entirely to you, your rest, and your alignment. For so long, you worked hard, carried heavy responsibilities, and pushed forward. But the true abundance is not just created through hustle, it is received through alignment. As your physical body relaxes, your mind shifts into a quiet, powerful frequency of theta. This is the realm where limits vanish and new realities take root. Tonight, as you drift into sleep, your subconscious mind remains wide open, ready to be reprogrammed for ease, wealth, and limitless opportunities. Repeat these words in your mind, or simply let them wash over you as you fall asleep. I am safe to receive effortless wealth. Money flows to me in predictable and surprising ways. My mind is continuously tuned to the frequency of abundance. I release all the fear, scarcity, and the need to control how success arrives. I am building assets, systems, and freedom that honor my life. While my body rests tonight, my subconscious aligns me with the higher opportunities. I wake up tomorrow clearer, wealthier, and deeply aligned. Now, let go of every thought. You don't need to listen to these words actively anymore. Allow the gentle theta waves to carry you into a deep, restoring sleep. Your mind is safe, your future is secure. Rest now and allow abundance to find you.